Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode. This wasn't intending to be an episode of Watch Raja playing the tree, but that's what she's turning it into today. Right, Raja? Okay, I guess I'll do something too. Now, you may have seen an earlier episode where I reviewed the Wicked mac and peas, which to me tasted more like um, mac and cauliflower. Not bad as long as you don't mind cauliflower. Um, Today, we're going to use this to taste test the Wicked Sriracha sauce. Um, Hot chili sauce with smoked paprika and dried garlic. Um, Wicked Foods has some things I've tried that are actually really good for vegan. I'm not vegan, I'm a omnivore, which means I'll eat meats, plant-based stuff, pretend meats. I'll eat it all. Um, Never know what you'll find. The other Wicked uh, packaged foods are actually, let's see, I've had the chili mac something and potato something, and they're really good. This so-so. Well, let's see if we can spice it up a little with some Wicked Sriracha. Smells tomatoey. Let's see, water, vinegar, sugar, extra virgin olive oil, sugar, chili puree, tomato paste, cornstarch, lemon puree, paprika, smoked paprika, dried onion, paprika extract. I think they like the paprika. Chili flakes, dried garlic, cinnamon, pimento, ground coriander, black pepper, preservative, onion, cumin powder, cayenne powder, parsley. So there's a lot in here. Um, Cumin is strong. A little bit of spice. Let's see if we can add some flavor to the mac and cheese or mac and peas. Um, Not real spicy to me in that little taste. Let's see if it's better with the food. Now see, a good sriracha or hot sauce would have been a good combination for mac and cheese, or just about anything. Maybe I didn't put enough on, maybe I put too much. Actually, it has canceled out the cauliflower flavor, but it's also kind of bland now. Very strange. Let me put some on my fork here, maybe without spilling too bad. Tomato, sugar, cumin, a little bit of spice, but muy poquito. I can handle spicy. Maybe that's why I'm. My favorite sriracha is Trader Joe's, which is not as spicy as cock sauce, rooster sauce. But it's kind of nice garlic flavor. This is another underwhelming product from Wicked. So I've had a couple of really good things, and now a couple of things that were so-so. Um, if you like the taste of cauliflower, you might like this. This, I don't know. Maybe I'll try it on some different foods. Try it on a cheap steak or something, or a hamburger. Maybe that'll make it tastier. I just don't know. Anyway, that's it. It's a um, it would not be anywhere near the top of my list of srirachas or hot sauces or condiments. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching again, and Raj and I will see you next time. Bye!